that?
They see you.
No, that's a truck.
Navlo H32, transition to southbound 242.
Record. I got you. Hey, stop the building up on you.
Niggas the rich of the scam, block up the birds. I'm in the back of the bus with the BC deserve. I'm with the motherfucking gang, you know they gon' put in that work. Got me pissed off in this bitch, I done fucking around with a couple serve.
Yeah, you're good, bro. It's just...
These niggas know who they really see. Big got no sense. I'm in this bitch, my chains on, I ain't tripping on this bitch. Friend, I'm tryna get this bank on, tryna do this shit without a witness. Bust it up and make the pussy big, man, I'm tryna score up on some rock.
Two right now, nigga.
Climbing to the top. This bitch is the all this shit till the number nigga gon' stop. I ain't tryna send a bitch, I'm tryna my bank. We really with it. These niggas softer than bitches.
Oh, 7 Oaks.
That don't look like somebody standing there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they got it all around now. Yeah, we gotta hop it, bro.
Is there a fence up there? Like, look straight ahead. Doesn't that just look open?
Yeah, why can't we just like
Like, if we walk on the sidewalk, can't we just walk?
back?
I don't think it's open, right?
No, I feel like it is, and it's not.
We can split up. You guys want to go?
My fault, bro. All right, hey, can somebody hold the camera for me?
We gotta wait. So what's the plan? If someone...
I'll just meet y'all down that way.
No. Oh wait, you want us to walk?
I thought y'all wasn't gonna hop.
Babe, I think
Shit,
you
yeah, hop, bro.
What? I can't.
I'll catch y'all coming down. Hey, you got it. You came way too far. You can't let go now. Buddy, hop over, hop over.
But I need to help her and Taylor get over because Taylor's got a f***ed up leg.
All right, wait.
For the dear life, hold on to this. Hold on. There you go. I got you. Here, can you hold the camera really quick?
You blinding yourself.
Got it, bro. You need...
Watch out! Oh, niggas hopping on too.
No, hold
Look at Cody's
You
hands.
need help for me to guide you. I'm hurt. Got it, Cody, or you need help too?
No, I got it.
Oh, yeah. See, that's the black and Cody, man. That's the black and Cody, man. Come on, man.
I'm out on parole.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
Yeah, hey, yo, we got an ex-felon about to be charged.
Oh, thanks.
You want me to
Yeah.
go in my pocket? You got a pocket?
About to be charged. Charged with what?
Murder in the first degree.
That wall is huge.
Ty, they got one of the little mini diggers.
Any what?
Dig, Ty. Digger.
Like deep.
Nah, I was just wondering. I
I already
couldn't.
knew. That's
No,
why
I couldn't hear you.
I know, that's why I said it twice.
Oh my gosh.
What is up with all this on the floor?
But hey, let's see if this shit got a key in it, man. Ain't no key.
Everything we've ever wanted to do or need is in here, Ty.
Yeah. We needed a shovel.
That's what I'm saying, bro. This is our camping playground right here. Alright, what we need for camping? That tire looking nice. On God, I'm not gonna lie.
These poor Mexicans. You know it's Mexicans, right?
Yeah, I know it's my people. That's why they're not gonna care. Hey, before we gotta figure out how to drive before we start this. I don't know how to drive it, bro. Watch out. Wait, just that. Soldier on the lead. We got that picture first. Now go forward.
Hey, how you put this bitch in park, bro?
Should we not go in though?
Nah, we gotta go in.
You think
What
this
do you mean?
can't?
That's the whole
let's
point.
separate crime, right?
Yeah, but
This?
seriously, be
Yeah.
careful with it. Don't shoot anybody.
We'll come.
with it.
We'll get it on.
Bruh.
Felony taking someone else's fire.
We'll get,
What's
we'll
it
get-
doing
we'll
just
get on
sitting
the
there?
way.
Yeah, it's there for a reason, bro. Nobody's using it.
Probably caught on fire before. Look.
What the hell are you talking about?
Nah, yeah, that's not funny. Hey, hold on. I want to see if you can get in, bro.
Doors open.
Oh my gosh. Dog, this shit is crazy. Oh my. So, welcome to my crib. This is the first floor. Anybody thirsty? Need water? Water right there. You know what I'm saying? I normally check people in right there. Damn, this shit is huge.
Wait, I think
Where?
should just go
Oh.
up.
AC, we good.
No, that's a truck.
Wait, no, you're tripping. Bro, y'all tripping, bro.
You didn't hear it?
Bro, we're good, bro. It's not a truck. Y'all are tripping. Y'all are tripping, bro.
Bro, did that not sound like a truck? That sounded like a turbo diesel F3.
The AC going off, bro. That shit's ice cold, man.
But why did it sound like a
It sounded
turbo?
like a machine.
It literally sounded like it was turbo.
You gotta understand, the place is still being built.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And this is a big ass building.
I don't know. Y'all looked at me like I was supposed to run, so I just ran.
Damn, bro. Come on, let's go. We gotta go back in, bro. We gotta go at the top at least. Welcome YouTube, man. This is my crib, Brandon crib. Cody J, come on in, come on in. You know what I'm saying? Just built this shit, you know.
Someone had a few technical.
See, like some of the doors won't open. So
let me try.
maybe. Okay. Yeah, so we gotta fix that door.
You see that light? Means it's locked.
He did tell me that.
Yeah. So we gotta come in a different way.
That just knocked at me.
Hey, open up the door, man. You over here knocking and shit. All right, bitch. You wait until I come in there. I knew it. Bro, look at that handprint on the elevator.
Hell no. I swear I didn't do that.
This probably what. Hey, this is where they put the dead bodies, bro.
Time we got this blueprint.
This level is fine.
Oh my gosh.
Orange pipes and shit. Look how tough.
Yeah, I know.
It's so
It has
clean.
blue and shit.
Water, one of them is like air.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that? I'm sorry, man. I wasn't thinking about it.
What the?
Cierra la puerta. Oh my god. It's someone that's in Spanish too.
It's one of you in 2 languages.
That's the door that leads to the outside.
It's the roof. It's the
Yeah,
roof.
it's the roof. That's what I'm saying.
We gotta go.
Oh,
All right, so we're on my balcony right now. You know what I'm saying?
Don't mind the piping.
Yeah, we're still working on it. Bro, we're on the roof. They're gonna think it's some f***ing window, bro.
Go over here and let's see on.
so we're not at the top yet? That's the thing.
Nah.
They have this like
We got more levels.
Like from the 80s or some shit.
Tripping, bro.
Hey, let somebody at Wawa try my shit. You know what? They gonna see time? I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna say, Tail, pull that. I'm gonna say, pull that top one.
How much you got on your neck?
More than 2
How much you got on your neck, man?
Let's be respectful.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be so many bad bitches in here. So many bad workers, bro.
Oh, the sink fell, damn it.
Put it back up, man. Come on, man.
Welcome to Pleasure's Plumbers.
Oh, are you here to fix the sink?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right here.
Alright, let's go. His name's Matao. We call him Cal. You don't know about that. This is the sink you need fixed.
Yeah. As you can see, it's kind of broken.
Well, I think I could find your first issue.
Yeah.
You want to go for it, buddy?
I think you can tell her.
Nah, you got it. I'm probably gonna just step out.
Well, the sink. Could you show me how you would use this?
Well, I mean, I guess I have to come this way because it's freaking.
Is that how you want it to be set up, just like this?
No. I want
There's a lot more to it than that.
Well, you
It's gonna
also
cost you a lot of money.
a lot of money.
How much are you willing to spend? How much you got? I think you have an electrical problem too. We're gonna have to get that one resolved.
Well,
So you're broke.
a little bit.
Let me show you the sink in here. Look, let me show you what you need. Now, you see how this sink, look? You see how it's connected to a wall? You need that. It's gonna cost you a lot of money.
One.
Wait, what happens on one?
Y'all come up.
Oh, she's sucking my
Bro, I...
Damn. What's taking so long? You almost ready?
Then no.
Can you finish the pipes?
Yeah, he fixed my pipes.
Sleeping here tonight.
I'm tired. You want a secret?
This is my bed.
Wait, what time is it?
Bro, it's like...
It's almost 2.
Alright, we can't.
Oh my gosh,
Yo,
it
we
really
gotta
is
hurry.
almost 2.
Construction people start at like 4, right? Don't they?
No, like 3, bro. They get here early.
We need
Alright,
to
so
do
let's
this.
go to the top. Let's go to the top.
Yeah.
Oh, that's downtown.
Yeah.
You could actually see downtown from
Yeah, it's
here?
right there.
Yeah,
you
bro.
see it?
What the?
It's in between the two
Right
groups
there.
of yellow lights. That's hilarious. I really thought it was manual. I don't know. Yeah, sweet.
Oh, I'm finna write this thing.
I got you. Wait. Reverse is you pull up and back. Get that shit tied.
You know what I'm saying, man? New whip, man. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, we outside and shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Do a quick donut for y'all, niggas. Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. You had to take over with it, nigga. Oh, shit. I'm about to crash. Tight, nigga. I got the wheel, nigga. Know what I'm saying, man? You know what we do. Nah, we'll leave it up.
We gotta go.
I'm dead.
Yeah, we definitely need to go.
Can you see that behavior? What is happening? Who is this?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. Hey, he's fighting at me. He's fighting at me. Oh, he's fighting at me. Oh, oh shit. Oh. Hey, he's fighting at all-one drop. Oh shit. Oh my. No way. Hey, yes sir. Yes sir. Nigga slid his mom's car, bro. What the? That nigga dropped the gun. No, not the gun. Damn, bro, we could have got hit, bro. Oh shit. Y'all are good. Y'all are good. You're good. Yeah, y'all are good. There's literally, yeah, you're good, bro. It's just him. Yeah. Definitely good though, bro.
Are you a driver?
Yeah.
I need your information or something, bro.
Yeah, I got you.
He could have got hit. Bro, this spot is lasting too long, bro. Somebody gotta call the cops.
That's what I was just saying.
Somebody gotta call the cops. No cap. Call him.
Like,
Call
bro.
him. Yeah, this spot's been lasting too long.
Hey, I'm at a car meet and this Mustang sucks.
Oh! Damn! Oh my gosh! Damn! Oh my! Hey, keep going! Keep going! God damn, oh my God! Hey, got it! Oh, he's gonna blow that transmission. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Nah, you gotta spin to get in, bro. You gotta spin to get in. Oh shit! Damn! What the? Oh shit! Nigga dead on the hoverboard. That's crazy. You already pressed the button to change the light for him, huh? Oh, okay. Yep. We good. We good. All right. Lights changed. Somebody get a sliding. Damn. Oh yeah. Yep. Take my ass right back up here. Yo, this thing got traction on. Yes, sir. You get that big old truck out of here, boy. Yeah. Like, this man does not cut off traction, bro. Oh, shit! There you go. Too late now, nigga. Too late now. Too late now. We've been out here. Yeah, everybody else won that bitch. And he been here, bro. Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle. Let's go, Kyle. Giving us some good lighting, though. Hell yeah, Kyle. Hell yeah, Kyle. Hell yeah, Kyle. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. I ain't gonna lie, that cop giving some good lighting, though. He giving us some good lighting, though, bro. Oh, yeah. Damn. Hey, let my nigga Kyle through, bro.
let the Hellcat through.
Navalo H32, transition to southbound 242.
Record. I got you. They ain't stopped to get in the fine yet. Hey, I got you, my boy. I'll bail you out. Make a U-turn. What do you mean make a U-turn? You got my nigga. Yeah, let's go.
Take it, this too hard.
I'm back in my bag, they stealing my swag, but this the original flow.